Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today I am teaching you the names of the line notes on the Treble Clef music staff. So first, here's a treble clef. You can see another video to figure out how to draw one. So today we're just talking about the line notes. There are 5 lines and the trick is you always start at the bottom. So the bottom one is called E, 2 is G, 3 is B, 4 is D, and 5 is F. So the best way to remember that is to come up with a silly sentence. I think of Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. So the first letter of each word tells you the name of that pitch. So Elvis's E, guitar G, broke B, down D, and Friday F. So come up with your own sentence, or you can use Elvis's guitar broke down Friday and practice going E, G, B, D, F until you can say it really quick. Thank you for watching. Check out my other music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click on the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.